Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your iPhone. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in this, you just click here on settings here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to settings here. Then you go down, just keep going down here. You click here on accessibility here, just click on it. Then you come to this list, it's going to show for you like this. You click here on spoken content, just click on it. You come to next step here, click here on shipping feedback, just click on it. You come to next step here, then you come here to spec auto text, click in this sign. Like you see, this color show for us, that means spec auto text enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.